You are welcome, Fernand.
Oh, thanks, Cindy.
So how may I help you?
I came to see your father.
Oh, he isn't around.
Oh, maybe I'll come back later in the evening. You promised to lecture me on demonstrative and reflexive pronoun. Have you forgotten?
Oh, no. Okay, let's sit and discuss. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that point out or demonstrate the things or persons that they stand for. Examples: this, these, that, and those. Like noun, we have singular and plural of the demonstrative pronouns. The singulars are this and that, while the plurals are these and those. There are two different ways we use them in written and spoken English. Let us, however, discuss them one after the other as follows. This is used for a singular or one person or thing that is near or closer to us. For example, this is my sister. These is used for more than one person or thing that are near or closer to us. For example, these are my sisters. That is used for a singular or one person or thing that is far from us. For example, that is my father's house over there. Those is used for more than one thing or persons that are far from us. For example, those boys on the football field are latecomers. Demonstrative pronouns are also used in the present and past tenses as follows: this day is better than that day. These days are our days, unlike those days of hardship.
You really amazed me. You must have studied hard. That's really great. So tell me about reflexive pronoun.
Reflexive pronouns refer to the subject or doer of an action in a sentence, and they often end in self for singular and selves for plural. Examples include: they warmed themselves at the fire. I copied the note myself. You'd better finish the exercise yourself. She promised to see the teacher herself. The car is automatic, therefore, it can operate itself. Now, our final examination is approaching. We have got to prepare ourselves.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.